Alright, welcome back to another video, guys. As I mentioned before, this is part 2 of the problem. If you haven't watched part 1, go ahead and watch that. Because you could definitely just watch this one without, but it really kind of builds up. So we're starting from a really simple problem, and we're starting to work our way up. I know the first video I posted was harder than this, but I'm going to try to start building from one point and working out a bunch of videos through that. So that's the goal moving forward. Anyways, so the part 2 of the problem is so now we're working with a P.2 plus a Q.2 type of line integral. So it's line integral of C of xy dx plus x minus y dy, where C is from -1 to 3,2. Okay. So what we're going to need is a vector. So what you could do to get a vector is take this point here. Hold on, let me get my pen out. It's this point minus this point. So our vector is just equal to 4, 2. And a way we can parameterize this is just one way. This is the way I prefer to do it. So r of t is equal to our vector times t plus we can pick a point. I'm just going to do 1, 0. Okay. So this becomes equal to 4, t, just minus 1, 2 t. Okay, now something we need to do that we did before with our circle is specify our values from t, and your parameterization like this can only go from 0 to 1. And now, very similar to before, we need our r prime of t, but this time it's not the magnitude, it's just the straight up, because we have our dx dy. So you could break up into component form, but I'm not, just to simplify the process. So now I believe we are ready to plug in and just solve our line integral. Okay. So it's the integral from 0 up to 1. And our x is 4t minus 1, so 4t minus 1. And our y is 2t. And now we need to multiply it by our dx, which is 4. And now plus 4t minus 1 minus 2t times 2 dt. And now simplifying, we end up seeing that this part is equal to, well, I'm just going to go ahead and simplify the whole thing. It's just a little bit of algebra that you can go ahead and do. Minus 8t plus 8t. You know what? We'll go ahead and simplify fully. That just becomes 0. So we need minus 2 minus 4t dt. And now we just have a simple Calc 2 type integral. Okay. So this is equal to 32 t cubed over 3 minus 2 t minus 2t squared, because 4t squared over 2 evaluated from 0 to 1. So yeah, 32 over 3 minus 2 minus 2. So 32 over 3 minus 4. And we see that this is equal to 20 over 3. And that's the answer to part 2 of the problem. Thank you for watching.